I go to school every day. I go to school every day. Which sentence is correct? If you don't know, so then stay with me and learn it. Hello guys, this is Shwepan and welcome to my English lecture. And today I have brought for you a new topic, and the topic is about confusing words. So first of all, we should know that what are confusing words. Confusing words are those words in English language which have similar sound, or we can say similar pronunciation and to some extent similar spelling, but having different meaning. But before I go to in detail, if you are new in my channel, so please subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so that you can receive my new lectures. Well, let's start. All together and all together. You can see that these are two words. One consists of two words and the second one consists of one word. So, but it to some extent it sounds similar, but they are different, and along with it they have different meaning. Just look at all together is an adverb which means completely or entirely. The one word altogether can be used like an adverb. Basically it is an adverb which means that completely or entirely. For example, my new house is not altogether finished. Just look at in this sentence, here it is used altogether and this instead of completely or entirely. It is in a simple words you can say that it can be said like this: my new house is not completely finished, and you should not ignore it altogether. It means that you should not ignore it completely or entirely. So we came to know that altogether is an adverb which means completely or entirely. All together. All together refers to everybody or everything in a group. It means that altogether, two words, it can be used in a situation when you talk about people or things in a group, so then you can say that all together. For example, come on, everybody, sing all together. It means that you are going to tell someone or some people that let's come and sing all together. It means that sing collectively. So therefore we have used here all together. It means that in a group we should just sing a song in a group. They came here all together. So you can say that it is another sentence and it consists of all together. They came here all together. It means that they arrived here in a group, not alone, but they arrived here in a group. So therefore we have used the word all together. Every day and every day. Every day is an adverb of frequency which means each day. The word which consists of two words like every and day, it is adverb of frequency. As you know that every adverb of frequency is an adverb kind, which means that which gives or which tells something about how often a thing is done. So similarly, every day is an adverb of frequency which means that each day. For example, I go to school every day. It means that I go to school each day. So here it is adverb of frequency. I read one chapter of a book every day. So again it is used like an adverb, and it gives us information that how much I read in every day and each day. So here it is an adverb which means that each day. Every day. Every day is an adjective that describes things which are common or ordinary. Every day, the one word every day is an adjective which means that which describes something that are common or ordinary. For example, don't wear everyday clothes on wedding ceremony. So you can see here it is used before a noun, that is clothes. So it is said that don't wear everyday clothes on a wedding ceremony. It means that you should not wear those clothes which we normally use in our home, especially on wedding ceremony. He came from foreign country, so he is unaware of everyday activities. So again, activities is a noun, so here it is used before a noun, which means that normally the activities which are going on in our society, and if someone comes from foreign country, and it is definitely you can say that the fact that he will not understand the everyday activities. It means that the activities which are common in our society. So here it is used like an adjective. Already and already. Already is an adverb which means before a specified time. Already, one word already, which means that when something has happened before a specified time, so we will use already, the word already, because it is an adverb. For example, when I reached his home, he had left already. So you can say that this sentence consists of two activities. One is when I reached his home, so something has happened before my reaching, and that is he had left already, because something has happened before a specified time. I have already told him the truth. So it is another sentence. For example, you and your friend tell someone lie, and after that he comes to you and he tells you that let's tell him the truth, and you say that I have already told him the truth. It means that something has happened before another thing. He wants you to tell the truth, and you say that I have already told him. It means that it has happened before the activity. Already means completely prepared. For example, if you go somewhere and you are trying to prepare yourself, and when you completely prepare yourself, so then you can say that I am all ready. For example, I am all ready to go for a walk. So you can see that it means that I'm completely prepared to go for a walk. The teacher is all ready for the class. It means that the teacher is completely prepared to give or to deliver a lecture. Affect and effect. Affect is a word which means to produce a change in something or in someone. Affect, when you talk about the influence of something on another thing, so then you can say that thing affected my life, or that thing affected this thing. For example, snowfall affected the crops. So again, which thing has brought change in the crops? That is snowfall. The snowfall changed the crops. Eventually, sad music affected him. How he was affected and how he was influenced. What was that thing? That was sad music. So it means that he was affected by sad music. It means that was sad music which brought change at him. Effect. Effect is a noun which is used to talk about the result of something. Effect basically is a noun, and when you talk about the result of something, so then you will use the noun effect. For example, my advice will have great effect on him. So here we talk about the result of something or someone. My advice will bring change at him, and we will say that we talk about the result of him. For example, the effect of this truck will remain till night, and it means that we talk about the result of that drug. It will remain till night. Compliment and compliment. Compliment means to say something nice about someone. In simple words, when you want to praise someone, so then you can say that it is a compliment. For example, I gave my brother a compliment on giving me a gift. I praised my brother because he has just given me a gift. So here, compliment means that I said something nice about him. And you can say that in simple words, I praised him. Everybody loves compliment. It is a universal fact that everybody loves praise. When you praise someone, so he becomes happy. So everybody loves it. Complement. Complement can be used as a noun and a verb, which means anything that makes another thing complete. For example, if there are two things, and when you mix them or when you add one thing to another, so then you can say that it is a great complement, because that thing completes this one. For example, black shoes complements a white dress. So as we said that in definition, that complement can be used like a verb. So in this sentence it is used a verb, like black shoes complements. It means that black shoes completes a white dress. When you wear a black shoes with a white dress, So it really suits you. So that's why we say that it is a compliment. Pepsi is an excellent complement to rice. So you can see here again, it is used like a noun here, because we can say that Pepsi is an excellent complement to rice, because the taste can be completed by the Pepsi. When you add Pepsi or when you drink Pepsi with rice, so it tastes good. Principle and principle. Principle refers to fundamental beliefs or rules and regulation. Principle, basically it means that when you talk about fundamental beliefs or we can say that rules and regulation, so you can say that it is the principle of that thing. It is the rules and regulation of that thing. For example, our family believes in the principle of equality for all. It means that they believe in the fundamental rules and regulation of equality for all. Our owner does not allow anyone to go against his principles. Our owner does not allow anyone to go against his rules and regulation. Principle. Principle can be used as a noun or an adjective. As a noun, it refers to someone who holds high position in administration. As an adjective, it means most important. For example, our school principal has just arrived to school. So you can see that here it is used as we can say that noun, and it refers to a person who holds a high position. My principal concern is to achieve job. My principal concern, here it is used as the principal is an adjective, which means that my most important concern is to achieve job. Stationery and stationery. Stationery is generally an adjective which is used to describe something that is not moving. For example, if you talk about something and that is not moving, so then you can say that it is stationary. Or we can say that when something is fixed in a place, so then you can say that it is stationary. For example, the stars appear stationary because they are so far away. It means that the star appears not moving because they are so far away. The car was stationary for 15 minutes. For example, if someone comes to you and he says that the car was stationary for 15 minutes, so he wants to tell you that the car was not moving for 15 minutes. Stationery. Stationery is a noun which refers to writing material such as pen, papers, etc. Stationery is easy. We often buy for our children stationery. Stationery are those things which can be used for writing. For example, children need stationery for writing. It can be anything like pen, paper, etc., which are related to writing. He loves new stationery. Accept and accept. Accept is a verb which means to agree or to receive something offered. Accept is a verb which means that to agree with someone or to accept something that is offered. For example, finally she accepted his proposal. So it means that finally she agreed with his proposal. Will he accept my gifts? So here again it is used as a verb which means that will he agree with my or will he receive my gifts? Accept. Except means excluding or with exception. It means that when you exclude one thing from other thing, so then you can say that except. For example, the store will be open except Sundays. It means that the store will be open on other days like Friday, Monday and Saturday, but it will not be open on Sundays except we can say that we excluded Sundays. Everybody has attended the party except Ali. It means that everybody attended the party but not Ali.